Today, we are tackling a very hot topic that's on every ambitious Indian student's mind, the incredibly popular UK's one-year master's program. Are they really worth it? How intense are they? And what about all the important post-study work visa and dependent rules? So hey everyone, I'm Manasvi, counselor at Admivo International Education Consultant. So if you're looking for a world-class education and to save time and money and kickstart your global career faster, then this video is for you. So what exactly is one-year masters in UK? Unlike many other countries where master degree are typically of 2 years, UK University condensed this into a 12-month format, where 9 months are given to course structure and rest of the time is given for major thesis or summer projects. Why do so many students, especially from India, love this one-year master's program? Here are certain reasons. First one is saving time. You will finish this course in just 12 months, which is faster than many other places, right? By this, you can directly jump into the job market and start earning sooner. And the second thing come here is saving money. Studying less time means lower overall cost, right? You pay less tuition fee and you save a lot on your living expenses like rent, food, transport, etc. That's a part of big savings. And the third thing comes here is globally respected degrees, right? Don't worry, shorter time degrees doesn't mean they are low on quality, right? UK master's degree are known and recognized worldwide. Even the employers love them. The UK has tons of one-year master's program. Here are the some which Indian students really love. If we talk about business and management, we have MBA, MSc in project management, MSc in business analytics, MSc in finance, accounting. And if we talk about science and technology, we have MSc in data science, AI, machine learning, computer science, cybersecurity, biotech, engineering in various fields. Then we have humanities and social science, under which LLM, Masters of Law, MSc in public health and MA in international relation is there. So just remember, these programs are intense. You will dive deep into your chosen subject from day one. A one-year master's sounds amazing, but it's not for everyone. So let's look at some good and bad points. So if we talk about pros, then we have fast career starts. So getting your dream job or getting into the industry much faster is possible with this one-year master's program. And if we talk about the lower total cost, so big savings on living costs, as I've already told you. Now, if we talk about job focus, the courses are usually very practical and linked directly to real-world jobs. And the next thing comes here is global connection. Meet and work with people from all over the world. Next is PhD path. It can be a great way to prepare for PhD if you want to study further. Now, if we look into the cons, then we have certain cons like heavy workload. It's super fast paced. You need great time management. Not much time is available for your internship also, right? And if we talk about the scope for your electives, then we have very less scope. Fewer opportunities to explore broader subject rather than your core specialization. If we talk about deep research, it would be certainly less because while you'll do a project, it might not be as deep as your 2-year master program, right? And if we talk about the networking time, which is very, very crucial, but here you get a less networking time to build connections because you just have to do all the things in 1 year. You have to be super proactive. So if you're a focused, motivated person with clear goals, then this 1-year master program is a perfect fit for you. And guys, one more thing I would like to add on. There's a lot to discuss on this topic, so I want to keep this video short and very, very crisp. So we'll be discussing those further pointers in the upcoming videos. Till the time, if you have any queries, do connect with us. The links are in the description box. Thank you.